number one reason businesses are challenged. Really, the number one reason is because of the business owner. That's it. That's the real reason. Now, business owners can fix the problem if they have the right attitude. If you have the attitude to figure out what's wrong with the owner to grow the business, then we have a workshop for you. 2 hours, invest 2 hours of your time at no charge. We will teach you exactly what you need to know in order to grow the business again. If that's the right thing for you, then join one of our workshops. They're coming up very soon. There's a link here that you can click on and register, then attend. And then I promise you, I really do guarantee, it'll be the best 2 hours you've ever invested in growing your business, because it's going to be about growing the owner. I'm Doug Winnie, and I am the owner of an Action Coach franchise here in Houston, and hope to see you very soon.